Welcome to greytHR. Now we'll show you how to add hired employees from greytHR Recruit. Let's dive in. From your greytHR admin portal, go to Recruit. Candidates. Select the candidate, click Jobs, and choose the required job. In the Candidate Status dropdown, change the status to Hired. A pop-up will appear with two options. If you want to keep the job posting open, click OK. Keep this job open. If you want to close the job, click Great. Close the job and select or add the appropriate reason. Next, add the joining date for the candidate. This ensures they appear on the joining list page. Once the candidate is marked as hired, they will be listed on the joining list page. To add them to the employee directory in greytHR, go to Recruit, Joining List. Select the date range to view hired candidates. Then click Add Employee. Fill out all the necessary details in the Add Employee form. The fields under Additional Information will be based on the configuration set in the active employee category settings. Click Add Employee, and that's it. The candidate is now officially part of the company. You can view their profile anytime by going to Employee Information, Employee Profile in the greytHR admin portal. Try it out today. Hope you like this series on greytHR Recruit. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to streamline your hiring process from job postings to onboarding new employees. For more such useful tutorials, don't forget to check out our greytHR YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more insights and happy recruiting!